Hey, it's Ravi. So you did it. You started the Faceless channel. You're putting out videos. Maybe you've got a few of them up now. And you're sitting there staring at your analytics, asking the one question everybody asks: when does this actually start paying me? Well, today I'm answering it straight up. I'm breaking down the 7 real income streams for a faceless AI channel in 2026. And I'm not just going to list them, I'm going to rank them, tell you which ones I chase first, and which one basically everybody obsesses over that is honestly the slowest of the entire bunch. So, quick question before we dive in. Drop a comment right now and tell me which one you think is number one, the biggest earner. Because I guarantee half of you are going to be wrong. And that exact wrong assumption is the thing that keeps people broke way, way longer than they need to be. Okay, let's start with the one everybody thinks of first, because we've got to talk about it honestly. Income stream number one: YouTube ad revenue. This is the money YouTube pays you directly for the ads that run on your videos. And look, it's real, it's completely passive, and it feels incredible when that very first payment lands in your account. I remember mine. But here's the honest truth almost nobody tells you. For most channels, ad revenue is the slowest and the smallest stream to get started. You need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours just to switch it on. And even once you cross that line, a small channel might only pull a couple $100 a month from it at first. So yes, it's absolutely a stream, and it grows nicely over time. But if ad revenue is your entire plan, your whole strategy, you are going to be waiting a very long time to see real money. Treat it as the floor, not the goal. Because that right there is the number one mistake. People build their entire dream on the single slowest stream and then wonder why nothing's happening. Don't be that person. Alright, income stream number two, and this is where it starts getting good: affiliate marketing. This is when you recommend a tool you genuinely use, someone signs up through your special link, and you get paid a commission for sending them. And for an AI channel specifically, this is honestly the best kept secret in the game, because the tools you are already talking about pay recurring commissions. Just think about it for a second. You're making videos about AI tools anyway. That's your whole channel. 11 Labs pays you 22%. Make.com pays 35%. Kit pays 30%. And here's the magic word I need you to burn into your brain: recurring. That means when someone signs up through your link and stays a customer for a year, you get paid every single month they stay. Not once, every month. One video you made 6 months ago can still be quietly paying you today while you sleep. This is the stream I would chase first, hands down, no question. Because you can start it on day one with 0 subscribers. You don't need to be monetized. You don't need to qualify for anything. You just need your link in that description. Income stream number three: your own digital products. And this is where the profit margins get really beautiful. Because now you're not taking a small cut of somebody else's product. You're keeping almost all of it for yourself. And listen, I'm not talking about sitting down to write a 300-page book. Please don't do that. I'm talking about simple, genuinely useful things your audience already wants and would happily pay for. An AI prompt pack, a Notion template, a checklist, a short mini guide. Things that AI itself can help you create in a single afternoon. You make it one time, you sell it over and over and over, and you never touch inventory, you never touch shipping, because it's just a digital download that delivers itself. Price it at 27, 37 bucks. Sell just a handful a day, and watch what that quietly adds up to by the end of the month. It'll surprise you. Income stream number 4, sponsorships. Now, this one genuinely surprises people on a faceless channel because they go, wait, who's gonna sponsor me? They don't even know what I look like. But here's the thing, brands do not sponsor your face, they sponsor your audience. Once you've built up a few thousand engaged viewers in a specific niche like AI, tool companies will literally pay you to mention them in a video. And a single sponsored segment, one little 60-second read in the middle of your video, can pay you anywhere from a couple hundred to a couple $1,000 depending on your views. You do not need to be famous. You need to be trusted by a specific group of people. And faceless channels build that trust through consistency and genuinely useful content, video after video. This stream turns on around the same time as ad revenue, but it pays you way more per video. Okay, income stream number 5. This is the big one, so lean in for this. Courses and memberships. This is the single highest value stream on this entire list, and it's the one that can genuinely replace a full-time income all by itself. Here's the whole idea. You've spent all these videos teaching people things for free, little piece by little piece. A course is where you take your absolute best knowledge and package it into one complete, organized, step-by-step system. And you charge for that complete version. And a membership? Even better, because it's recurring. People pay you every single month for ongoing access, fresh content, and a community to be part of. Picture this for a second. Just 200 members, each paying you $97 a month. Run that math in your head. That is more than most people make at their full-time day job. And it's recurring, predictable income that shows up in your account whether or not you posted a video that week. This is the crown jewel. Honestly, everything else on this whole list is really just a way to build the audience that eventually buys this. Income stream number 6. Email marketing. Now, technically, email isn't really a separate product. It's the engine that sells every other thing on this list. But I'm giving it its own dedicated spot because it is that important. And because almost everybody completely ignores it, and it drives me a little crazy. Here's the truth that took me way too long to actually learn. You do not own your YouTube subscribers. YouTube owns them. If your channel got deleted tomorrow morning, every single one of them would be gone, just like that. But your email list? That you own forever. Nobody can take it. And when you email that list, you're not fighting some algorithm for scraps of attention. You are landing directly in the inbox of people who already know you and already like you. Every affiliate offer, every product, every course launch, all of it performs 10 times better when you've got an email list to send it to. So build the list from day one. It is the single most valuable asset your entire business owns. Income stream number 7. This one's a little more advanced, but it is growing fast in 2026. Offering AI services or consulting. Here's exactly what I mean. As your channel grows, you slowly become known as the person who actually understands all this AI stuff, while everybody else is still confused by it. And people will happily pay you to just set it up for them. Building an automation for a local business that has no idea where to start. Setting up an AI system for another creator. Simple consulting calls where you just walk somebody through what you already know off the top of your head. Now, this one is trading time for money, which is exactly why it's not fully passive like the others. But the rates are high, and it is genuinely the fastest way to make real money early on, before your passive streams have had time to grow and compound. And the best part? You already have these skills from running your own channel. This just points them at people who will pay you directly for them. So let's put this whole thing together now, because the order you build these in actually matters a lot. If I was starting from zero today, here is exactly how I'd stack them. Day 1, before I even have a single subscriber, I would set up my affiliate links and start building my email list. Those two things cost nothing, and they start working for you immediately. Then, as an audience starts to grow, I'd launch one simple digital product. Then I'd flip on ad revenue and start taking sponsorships the moment I qualify. And then, once I've built a real audience that genuinely trusts me, I'd build the course and the membership. The crown jewel that changes the whole game. And consulting? That's always sitting there as your fast cash option anytime you want it. Now notice what this actually means, because it's the most important thing I'll say in this whole video. 5 of these 7 streams do not require you to be YouTube monetized at all. You can start making money right now, today, with 0 subscribers. If you just stop waiting around on ad revenue and start stacking the other streams instead. That is the entire secret. Broke creators wait for one stream to kick in. Successful creators stack all 7. And here's the real leverage. Every single video you make feeds all of them at the exact same time. One video promotes your affiliate links, grows your email list, sells your product, and builds the audience for your course. All at once. That is why this faceless business model is so ridiculously powerful. So here's what to actually do today. Pick your top affiliate program and get that link into your description right now. Set up a free email capture with a simple little freebie. And just start, because these streams compound over time, and the best time to plant them was your very first video. But the second best time is today. If this opened your eyes to how this really works, do me a favor and smash that like button and subscribe, because I put out new AI income breakdowns every single week. And go grab the free AI income streams cheat sheet down in the description. It lays out all 7 streams with the exact tools and links to start each one today. Now, next video, I'm getting really practical on you. I'm going to show you exactly how to get your first 1,000 subscribers using AI. Because that's the magic number that unlocks a whole bunch of these streams. And trust me, there's a right way to do it and a painfully slow way to do it. You do not want to miss it. Alright, catch you there.